My name is Sunita. She's my mom. She's having knee pain for a couple of years. So we were looking for the options whether it can be reduced without operation. We came here because one of our friends is working here. We got to know that orthopedic department is here and they are doing the surgeries very well. So we got my mom to check here, and we met Jawad sir for the first time. He explained us what the process would be, but before explaining about the process, they checked whether she is ready for the replacement or not, whether she really requires a replacement or not. They verified and confirmed that she's at a stage where she's supposed to go through surgery now. They explained about the process, what they would be doing at this hospital. And they have done the pre-test to confirm whether she's ready for the hospital and any complications are there or not. After that, we got her admitted, and process has went well successfully. There were no complications at all, and she has been very well taken care throughout the time, both in ICU and in the room here. You can see the room facilities are also very well supportive, and the nurses are coming regularly to check how she is going through and asking the questions whether she is having any pain or not, and giving medications accordingly. And she is feeling very well. Today is the fourth day. She's already started walking, and she's walking by herself, which is a really very good outcome for us. And hopefully she'll get discharged today, and they are explaining the process on what we need to take care at home and what kind of physiotherapy we need to take, and they are organizing the services what for at home also. Example, physiotherapy that we need to go at home. Hospital staff themselves are organizing the required services. We are happy. We are very happy with the outcome that's going on here, and hopefully she'll be coming back here for the second knee replacement also. Thank you, Germanten Hospitals.